Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can become an Amazon FBA seller, so let's get right into it. I'll be using this official Amazon blog simply to make my life easier because I cannot set up a seller account at the moment, so I'm gonna need to use this. I hope you guys understand. And pretty much what FBA is FBA means fulfillment by Amazon, which lets you outsource your order fulfillment to Amazon. You can enroll products in FBA to store products in their global fulfillment network, offer free 2-day shipping through Prime, have the packing, shipping, returns, and customer service handled all by Amazon so that you can focus on your business side. It helps lower your costs, increase sales, etc., etc. And now, pretty much how you become a FBA seller, you need to go into the Seller Central, then click the gear icon and then go into account info, then click manage on seller account information, then select the option to register for FBA. And of course, first you do need to set up your selling plan, which you just go to Amazon and click on sell, and you'll be prompted to select a selling plan and to create a seller account. And once you create it, then you can set everything up and register for FBA. And once you're approved, then your products will be fulfilled by Amazon and you can focus exclusively on your business side. And other than that, there's nothing else to mention. That is pretty much it. It is a very useful tool that you can use if you want to scale your business and if you're selling on Amazon. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.